Welcome to Tech Snacks. Today, I'm going to share my experience with the Xiaomi AirDots Pro after daily usage since its release. And towards the end of the video, I will share my opinion whether you should buy this particular headset or not. First, about the pairing speed. The earphones start the pairing process as soon as the case is opened, and the pairing is usually complete by the time you have both of them in your ears. So no complaints here. The same seamless process applies when I pair with my iPhone SE, so things are just as easy on the iOS side. On my Xiaomi Max 3, a double tap on the left earbud brings up Google Assistant just fine. And even when walking outside on a relatively noisy street, I was able to interact with the Google Assistant through the built-in microphone. And when paired with the iPhone SE, the double tap brings up Siri, and everything works flawlessly there as well. One reminder though, to answer a question I received on my previous video, both Google Assistant and Siri will interact in your language of preference, which is the default language of your phone. But the command feedback from the AirDots Pro will be in Chinese. For example, doing a long press on the right earbud will bring up a female Chinese voice telling you that the noise cancellation feature is activated. Now, what about the sound delay when playing games or watching video clips? Unfortunately, the delay is pretty bad, almost to the point of rendering fast action games unplayable. I don't play a lot of games except for the occasional Clash Royale, but there is enough delay to throw your timing off during gameplay. The delay also affects YouTube video clips, and it can get a little bit annoying when the video is out of sync with the sound. The fit of these earphones for me is pretty bad. I have to use the largest earbud gel just to barely keep these earphones in my ears when walking. And just the other day, while running to the bus, these actually fell out of my ears from a little sprint. So the mileage might vary with how well these earphones will fit you, but I don't think these are the earphones you are looking for if you need them for jogging or any type of exercise. The sound quality of these earphones are nothing to write home about, and it's actually pretty underwhelming. In fact, I actually think the original AirDots Youth Edition sounds better, at least to me, with a more balanced sound, and for longer listening sessions, your ears don't get tired as easily. The bass is really lacking on the AirDots Pro, and maybe because of the poor fit with my ears, they don't create a sense of isolation from the outside environment. Battery life is approximately a little over 2 hours when I have the noise cancellation on, which means that with the 2 extra charge cycles you get from the case, you can safely expect a total of 5 to 6 hours maximum. Now, one of the reasons I was really looking forward to the AirDots Pro is the noise cancellation feature, but I will have to say that I'm actually really disappointed after trying it in different environments. Walking down a busy street, for example, whether the noise cancellation was on or off barely made any difference. The noise cancellation was also barely noticeable when I was riding the commuter train to work. It was not able to eliminate or significantly reduce the humming noise from the train cards. So obviously, please don't expect both QC3 or Sony WH-1000 level of noise cancellation. So is it worth buying the Xiaomi AirDots Pro? Unfortunately, I have to say no. If you're looking for something similar, I think the original AirDots Youth Edition might even be a better option now with the lower price, especially with its newer Bluetooth 5 chipset rather than the Pro's 4.2. For myself, I much prefer the Xiaomi Neckband Bluetooth earphones, as I find the form factor easier on a day-to-day usage, and because you can simply take out the earbuds and have them hang around your neck ready for the next listening session instead of having to fumble with the separate earbuds and the case. So overall, your mileage might vary with the AirDots Pro. If the earbuds fit your ears better than they do on me, the sound quality might improve tremendously and the noise cancellation might work better for you. But we still think the original Xiaomi AirDots are a better value at this point, and the Xiaomi Neckband Bluetooth earphones beats both of them. That's my personal opinion, but I hope you're okay with an honest review. Okay, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find the information we provide useful. Our next video will give you an update on when to expect the Redmi Note 7 Pro and what new features you might expect. Cheers!